Welcome to the mortgagedrill.com. Today I'll be talking about the Home Affordable Refinance Program and Loan Modification Program. The website is www.makinghomeaffordable.gov. On the homepage of makinghomeaffordable.gov, there's three things. First, are you eligible? Second, frequently asked questions. And third, beware of foreclosure scams. Educate yourself to prevent any type of foreclosure scam that's out there in today's market. Many people advertise on websites such as Craigslist to provide assistance for refis or home loan modifications, but you don't know who you're actually dealing with. Now we'll go into the two options, either refinancing or through the home loan modification. We're going to find out if you're eligible for either refinancing or the home loan modification. We'll start with the refinancing process first. So on the left, let's follow and find out if you are eligible for home affordable refinancing. So first thing is you're going to have to answer all four questions. But before you can do that, we'll start with number 2. Do you know if your loan is owned and guaranteed by Fannie or Freddie Mac? So to figure out if your loan is guaranteed by Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac, the two links to the websites are below. Let's start with Fannie Mae first. So on the Fannie Mae loan lookup screen, you're going to want to enter your address exactly the way it shows up on your billing statement. Once you're complete, enter the 2 words, click search, and you'll receive an instant answer. And here on the Freddie Mac page, it will be the same thing. Enter your name, your address, exactly the way it shows up on your billing statement. You do have to enter your social security number, and when you click submit, you will receive an instant answer as well. So now you know that your loan is guaranteed by either Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac. Answer the 4 questions, and this site will help you determine if you are eligible, but only the loan servicer can tell you if you actually qualify. Based on my 4 answers on the previous slide, I am eligible for a refinance. So take a look at the checklist and gather the documentation that it requires to complete the refinance process. And next, I will move on to the appropriate steps to take for a home loan modification. We're back to the eligibility page. This time, we'll continue through the home affordable modification. Let's find out if you're eligible. On the home affordable modification program, you're going to have 5 questions to answer. Number 5, is your payment on your first mortgage, including principal, interest, taxes, and insurance, and or homeowner association dues, more than 31% of your gross income? If you're unsure, click on the link and let's find out if you qualify. In the open box, enter your gross income and click calculate. If your current mortgage payment is above the amount shown in the mortgage payment guideline, then you may be eligible for a home affordable modification. Here's a quick example. I entered in a $5,000 monthly gross income. 31% of the ratio equals $1,550. Answer all 5 questions based off your own personal scenario. I've answered all of them as yes, and we'll see what happens on the next page. Based on my answers on the previous slide, I am eligible for a home loan modification. Now it's important to take a look at the checklist, gather the important documentation that you're going to need for qualifying. If you've already missed 1 or more mortgage payments, contact your lender immediately, or you can contact 1-888-995-HOPE, which is on the right hand of the slide. Thank you for visiting themortgagedrill.com. If you plan on taking advantage of either the refinance or the home loan modification process, have your paperwork ready and be prepared. The start date's April 4th, but as you know, each financial institution is going to have their own guidelines, so it's probably going to be delayed a little bit longer. but be prepared and check back on our website for more updates. If you have questions, please blog below this video, or you can always email us at info@themortgagereal.com. Thank you.